President Emmerson Mnangagwa is facing a fresh political crisis amid revelations that he may have vascular dementia, a condition that, if confirmed, could trigger impeachment proceedings over his fitness to govern. Sanapinda mashoko buda panapa achitaura zvinzi Mnangagwa ari in a health scare yekuti kana achinge angoapproviwa these allegations mutungamiri wenyika he might step down as soon as possible. Sanapinda mashoko buda nyika panapa webva subscribe or like on the bell icon tipinda panapa kudanyika muchinzi. The claims were made by war veteran and former ZANU-PF Central Committee member Blessed Geza, who alleges that Mnangagwa's deteriorating mental health has rendered him unfit for office. Geza argues that under Zimbabwe's constitution, the president can be removed on the grounds of incapacity due to ill health. During the recent inauguration of Lieutenant General Asylum Sanyato as commander of Zimbabwe Defense Forces at State House, Mnangagwa reportedly failed to recognize him, long-time political ally and Minister of Local Government July Moyo. According to sources present, the president asked, "Who is this man? Where is he from? And what does he do?" In a separate incident just days later, Mnangagwa reportedly expressed surprise that the country's rail system was not operational, an issue that has been a public concern for years. Geza claims these episodes are symptomatic of vascular dementia, a progressive cognitive disorder caused by reduced blood flow to the brain. The condition affects memory, judgment, reasoning language, and spatial awareness. Sufferers may also experience confusion, irritability, depression, and problems with balance and coordination. Tomashoko buda panapa tukona kuti mashoko akatogwa naBombshell Geza kunyange varudzi nguva panguva ino after maprotest asina kunyatsokuva vibrant sezvavaitarisira, vamwe vatanga kuloza trust maari, but achingotaura nawo yanga isingazivikanwi nevanhu yedementia achiti want to impeach mutungamiri wenyika. Nawo nema-events ava kubuda neimwe footage yava kuexposewa zvinotaridza kuti the Zimbabwean leader must rest. Tudze mafungiro eimo tikudiva masoro kuchitwe chipinda comment section yedu, so subscribe or like, hit the bell icon.